Matt Wanner here again. We're going to teach you how to make a shot bag. So we call these shot bags because we'll put some shot in them sometimes to add some weight. Today we're going to just use some BBs. But these are for like when you're tooling and you need to hold your piece down while you're stamping on it. It makes them soft, but kind of a weight to hold things in place. And heck, I've used them for numerous other things too. But they're pretty quick and easy and simple. I've just got a little chunk of Chap hide here. We've got this bottle of BBs. It weighs pretty good, about 3 pounds. Okay, so now we're going to get a measurement. It's about 9.5 by 5-ish. So I'm just going to we just need to be kind of close. It's not that important to be too exact. I do want to cut some straight lines. So I'll cut one side, fold it to the other. We're lining up decent. Doesn't have to be perfect. And what did we say at about 5.5? We're going to cut it. Just making sure everything lines up good as we fold it. We're going to close this up. We're going to stitch down the side and across the bottom. And so we're going to need to get the stitcher out. Here we go. I'm just going to sew down one side and across the bottom here. I'm going to start in reverse so I can get a nice overstitch, 2 or 3. You can use a smaller stitcher than this if you want. This is kind of my go-to stitcher. I really like the class 4 for a lot of things. We're not quite lining up on the bottom, so we'll want to be careful with that. Stay a little bit inside of it. And now we can turn it inside out. Actually outside, I don't know, how would you say that? Inside back in. Now we have a little pouch. And we can just dump these. And you don't want to put too many and get too high, but I like it pretty tight, so I'm going to make sure I can close it and hold it closed while I stitch it. That's plenty to work with, maybe a little too much. You'll get them all over if you got too many. Now we're simply going to go back to the machine. I'm going to go across it one more time and make sure that it's got a nice double stitch so it doesn't ever bust open. All right, for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.